Hello and good day everyone. Welcome back to another exciting vocab lesson. Today we're going to talk about week 1 vocabulary words, and they're listed right here for you. The first word, angler, fling, entice, murky, flare, and vocation. So let's go ahead and jump into each word and figure out what they mean. Our first word this week is angler, and that is a noun, and it means a person who fishes with a hook or a line. So the top picture here represents a person fishing. That would be an angler. A second way to use this word is a person who gets or tries to get something through scheming. So the second picture here represents a burglar. So if someone is angling you or is being an angler towards you, sometimes that can be a negative thing and mean they're trying to get something or scheme you. So two different ways to use it, fisherman or schemer. Very good. Angler. Second word this week is fling, and that's a verb. It's used with an object, and it means to throw, cast, or hurl with force or violence, to fling a stone. In this picture here, you can see that someone is flinging a paper airplane towards the moon. So they are throwing this paper airplane towards the moon. Fling. It also means to move oneself violently with impatience or contempt. So you can fling your body. You can fling it off of certain things. You can fling it towards something. Anytime you fling something, you are moving the object or yourself in some way. The next word is entice. Entice. Now that is a verb. It can also be used as enticed or enticing, and it means to lead on by exciting hope or desire, to allure, to invigil. They were enticed westward by dreams of gold. So entice essentially means to attract or to get someone's attention. So in this picture you can see that the money is being attracted to the magnet. In this image here, smells can be very attracting. Think about when you walk through the mall food court and you smell the delicious food that's cooking. Entice is anytime something draws you in or allures you or makes you come closer because you're interested. Entice. The next word is murky. This is an adjective, and you can also say murkier or murkiest, and this means a dark, gloomy, and cheerless sort of place or thing. Obscure or thick with mist or haze, as is the air. It can also mean not just a physical setting like this underwater setting here or this mountainous, cloudy, kind of foggy environment, but it can also mean someone in the way that they talk to you. They can be vague, unclear, or confused. It can also refer to your feelings. Your feelings can be murky. So anytime something is cloudy, dark, confusing, unclear, that is what murky means. Next, flare. Flare is a noun. It means natural talent, aptitude, or ability, a bent or a knack. So if you are natural at something, like this man in this picture here, he is a natural juggler. He has a natural talent. Some people have a flair for music. Some people have a flair for style. Some people have a flair for sports or athletics. It's a natural gift or ability. It can also mean smartness of style or manner. The window display has absolutely no flair at all. So think about those holiday decorations. If you drive by a house that has a lot of flair, it will have a lot of holiday decorations. It can also mean keen, intuitive, perception, or discernment. We want a casting director with real flair for finding dramatic talent. So flair, a natural talent or ability, or some sort of smarts, intellect, style, things like that, flair. Next is vocation. This is a noun, and a vocation is a particular occupation, business, or profession. It could be a calling. So in this first picture, you can see the man is a businessman or perhaps a lawyer of some kind, and he's climbing the ladder of success. Maybe he makes a certain amount of money. That's his job. Vocation is a job. A strong impulse or inclination to follow a particular activity or career. Now in a spiritual sense, a vocation can be a divine call to God's service or to the Christian life. That's often referred to as a vocation. So in this bottom picture, we have people who are builders. That's their vocation. Okay, so just a summary. Here were our 6 words this week: angler, fling, entice, murky, flare, and vocation. I've also included a really good paragraph that uses all 6 words correctly. Please feel free to stay here and review for as long as you need to. Thank you so much for another great vocabulary lesson. Bye.